Welcome to Drawing Doll Eyes. Hello, dear artists. Today we're embarking on a fascinating journey into the world of drawing. Our focus will be on capturing the essence of doll eyes, those large, expressive windows to a character's soul that can bring a drawing to life. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced artist, this guide is designed to enhance your skills and inspire your creativity. So, grab your pencils and paper, and let's dive in. Before we start, let's make sure we have everything we need. A range of pencils from HB for light shading to 6B for deep dark shadows. Preferably a kneaded eraser, which is excellent for making precise corrections. High-quality drawing paper that can handle erasing and shading without tearing. A blending stump or cotton swabs for smooth transitions in shading. Doll eyes are known for their oversized appearance, which gives them a striking, captivating look. They often feature large irises and wide pupils, creating an innocence or depth of emotion not always present in more realistically proportioned eyes. Before we draw, spend a moment looking at different doll eyes. Notice the variety in shapes, colors, and the way they reflect light. Begin by lightly sketching a large circle for each eye. This circle will guide the size and shape of the eye. Inside each circle, draw a smaller circle or oval for the iris. The size of the iris in relation to the white of the eye is crucial for achieving that characteristic doll eye look. Lightly draw the eyelids above and below each eye. Remember, doll eyelids tend to be more pronounced, adding to the eye's expressive quality. Within the iris, sketch a round pupil. Doll eyes usually have large pupils, which make them look more lively and engaging. To create a sense of depth and luminosity, add 1 or 2 small circles or ovals inside the pupil and iris where the light reflects. These highlights are key to making the eyes look glassy and alive. Use your pencil to add texture and depth to the iris. Light, radial lines emanating from the pupil outward can simulate the natural patterns found in eyes. Shading adds volume and realism to the eyes. Gradually build up shading in the iris, leaving the areas you've marked for reflections lighter. This contrast enhances the eye's spherical appearance. Lightly shade around the eye to define the eyelids and the eye socket. This not only adds depth but also integrates the eye into the overall face structure, making it look more natural and three-dimensional. Eyelashes and eyebrows frame the eyes and express emotion. Start with the upper eyelid, sketching individual lashes that curve outward and upward. Doll lashes are typically long and voluminous, so don't hesitate to exaggerate their length and density. For a more natural look, vary the length and spacing of the lashes. Remember, they're thicker at the base and taper to a point. Move above the eye to sketch the eyebrow. Even though doll eyebrows can be stylized, they should still follow the natural curve over the eye. Begin with a light line to get the shape, then gradually add thickness and texture. Consider the expression you wish to convey. The shape of the eyebrows can dramatically affect the doll's overall mood or personality. With the basic elements in place, it's time to refine your drawing and infuse it with character. Go back to each part of the eye, iris, pupil, eyelashes, and eyebrows to make any necessary adjustments. This could mean smoothing out the lines, adding more lashes, or correcting proportions. If you're working in color, now is the time to bring in colored pencils to enhance the iris and skin around the eyes. Add subtle textures to the iris to give it more depth, and gently shade the skin to bring out the contours of the face. Think about the personality or story behind the eyes you're drawing. Small details can significantly impact expression, like slightly adjusting the curvature of the eyelids or the direction the eyes are looking. Experiment with these elements to create a range of emotions. Final touches are crucial for bringing your drawing together. Revisit the highlights in the eyes to ensure they're bright and clear. Use an eraser to clean up any areas that should remain light, particularly around the reflections in the iris and the wet edges of the eyelids. Enhance the contrast by deepening the shadows around the eyelids and the corners of the eyes. This will make the eyes pop and look more vibrant. Step back and evaluate your drawing. Look at it from different angles and distances. It's not uncommon to notice areas that may need adjustment for balance or expression. Make these final tweaks with a light hand. Congratulations on completing your doll eyes drawing. Reflecting on the process and the outcome is an invaluable part of learning. Take a moment to consider what went well and what challenges you faced. Every drawing is a step forward in your artistic journey. The more you practice drawing doll eyes, the more intuitive it will become. Try different expressions, angles, and sizes. Each attempt will teach you something new. Don't be shy to share your work with friends, family, or online communities. Feedback can be incredibly helpful for growth and inspiration. Drawing doll eyes is a wonderful way to explore expression, emotion, and character in art. By following these steps and adding your personal touch, you can create eyes that truly captivate and tell a story. Remember, art is a journey of continuous learning and exploration. Keep experimenting, keep creating, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Happy drawing!